What if the Great Pyramids weren't built by ramps and ropes, but by machines so advanced they'd rival modern cranes? Here's the evidence hidden in plain sight. In 2013, archaeologists discovered the Wadi al-Jarf papyri, the world's oldest papyrus logbook, dating back 4,500 years. It details daily work logs for pyramid construction. But here's what's strange. It describes moving massive limestone blocks using something called machines formed of short wood, not ramps. The Greek historian Herodotus also wrote that workers raised stones by means of machines. Then there's what's inside the Grand Gallery. In the 1990s, engineers found perfectly straight, parallel grooves cut into the granite walls, marks that look identical to modern machine tooling. Egyptologists call them quarry marks, but the precision is off the charts. Granite is one of the hardest stones on Earth. To cut it that cleanly, you'd need something far beyond copper chisels. Historians estimate the technology was likely advanced lever and counterweight systems, not alien tech, but still shockingly sophisticated. The real question isn't whether they had machines, it's why we assumed they didn't.